on television. Shit, their image is ridiculous. They're living like a simpleton until we fall to rise like the sun.
Shades of gray,
rays of light,
manifested into one. Spitting words that strike with inconceivable might. Apex realm, resting at unreachable heights.
I'm a graphic designer and my brand is Con. The name of the event was Vision and Sound. It went really well. There's a lot of people came out tonight, and I'm stoked on that. So that's what makes the event. It's like the people that turn out, community. That's what I do it for. I want to give thanks to everybody, first and foremost, that came out, because without them, it wouldn't be the success that it is. I want to thank Mike Reyes for helping me gather all the artists that showed tonight. Without him, I wouldn't have been able to get this group of talented artists together. I want to thank my brother and my parents for always supporting me. I want to thank all the artists for coming out, taking the time to print their pieces, and I want to thank the Spot Gallery too. The venue's awesome. We made it happen. It was a big success.